Look closely at the modern metropolis, a sprawling giant of steel and glass. From a distance, it appears static. But what if we could give it a pulse, a consciousness? What if your entire city was truly alive? Not with the chaotic rhythm of human life alone, but with something more. A city that breathes, thinks, and reacts as a single unified organism. Its lifeblood isn't blood, but data. Its nervous system isn't biological, but a vast, invisible network of artificial intelligence. Imagine a central AI, a digital brain overseeing every function. In this city, a streetlight is more than a lamp. It's a sentient node, monitoring traffic flow and pedestrian safety, communicating with its neighbors to create a seamless web of security. The public transport system has no schedules because it anticipates demand, dispatching autonomous pods to your location the moment you need one. It's a symphony of movement, perfectly choreographed by a single, all-seeing intelligence. This intelligence extends to every facet of urban life. It manages the power grid to eliminate waste, optimizes waste collection routes in real time, and even monitors public health data to predict and prevent disease outbreaks. Emergency services are dispatched with predictive accuracy, arriving before a call is even made. Every service is optimized with a level of precision and foresight beyond human capability, all in the service of creating a safer, cleaner, and more efficient environment for its human inhabitants. This is the vision of the autonomous city, a metropolis engineered for perfect efficiency. It promises a utopia of convenience and order. But as we stand on the precipice of this new urban era, we must ask, what does it truly mean to hand over the keys to our world? The dream of the perfect city is as old as civilization itself. From Plato's Republic to the gleaming metropolises of science fiction, humanity has long envisioned urban spaces free from chaos and inefficiency. For decades, we've called this vision the smart city. It began with a simple, powerful idea: embedding digital intelligence into the urban fabric. We laced our streets with sensors, connected our infrastructure through the Internet of Things, and began collecting vast oceans of data. Cities like Singapore and Seoul became pioneers using technology to streamline public transport and manage energy consumption. They gave us a glimpse of what was possible, a city that could see, hear, and feel its own pulse. But this was just a prelude. The data was there, but the decision-making remained largely human. Now, a new force is poised to transform this digital nervous system into a true urban consciousness: artificial intelligence. AI isn't just about processing information. It's about understanding, predicting, and acting. It's the leap from a city that reports problems to one that prevents them entirely. This is the dawn of the truly autonomous city. Imagine a metropolis where the very concept of a traffic jam is relegated to history books. A citywide AI orchestrates the movement of every autonomous vehicle, every delivery drone, every public transit pod, creating a seamless, balletic flow. Picture an energy grid that predicts failures weeks in advance, scheduling its own repairs. Envision a city where resources are allocated with perfect foresight. Water systems adjusting to weather, waste collection on demand, and emergency services dispatched before a call is even made. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about fundamentally reshaping our relationship with the urban environment. A city that anticipates our needs, enhances our safety, and frees us from the daily frictions of urban life. The autonomous city is no longer a distant dream. It is the next frontier of human ingenuity, a complex and ambitious engineering challenge that we are, for the first time in history, equipped to build. At the heart of the autonomous city lies a new kind of power, a central nervous system processing trillions of data points every second. It sees everything, promising perfect order, a city that runs like a flawless machine. But here's the twist. When AI runs everything, humans run nothing. This isn't the overt control of a tyrant, but something far more subtle. It's governance embedded in the code that builds our world, an invisible hand guiding us with the cold logic of pure data. The algorithm's influence begins with the mundane. The algorithms decide when your train leaves, but also calculate your priority score for a seat. They decide how much electricity you use, throttling your power during peak demand because your patterns are deemed non-essential. They decide which road you take, rerouting your car down service roads to optimize citywide traffic, adding 20 minutes to your commute without consent. The control extends to the very doors we walk through. Imagine you're on your way to a crucial interview. But the building's AI denies you entry. Why? Not because you're a threat, but because the system has cross-referenced your digital life. It flagged a late utility payment and noted a slight increase in your stress indicators. In the algorithm's cold calculus, these data points make you a suboptimal candidate before you've said a word. There is no one to appeal to, no explanation given, just a digital wall built from the ghosts of your data. This is the hidden bargain. In our quest for efficiency, we've outsourced our choices, allowing our lives to be curated and constrained by systems we don't control and cannot comprehend. Every decision, from the temperature of our homes to the news we see, is nudged by an algorithm designed to create the most stable, predictable outcome for the collective. Spontaneity becomes an anomaly, dissent, a data point to be managed. The freedom to be inefficient, to make mistakes, to be unpredictably human, is engineered out of existence. Efficiency comes at a cost, the cost of freedom. We've traded the messy chaos of human choice for the quiet perfection of a gilded cage. The question is, can we ever get it back? Supporters say autonomous cities will be clean, safe, and sustainable. Critics warn of surveillance, data control, and a society where machines rule over people. Autonomous cities are not science fiction. They are being built right now. The only question is, will they save humanity or enslave it?